Brad Williams, Excel Prime.
Calculating present value. Present value is what your dollar will be worth 12 months from now based on, let's use inflation. So here we have an example. The current value is $1,000 at 10% inflation. A year from now, what's that $1,000 worth? It's worth 90909. Says who? Well, the basic rule of finance is you discount based on the current inflation or the discount rate. This is a simple format. We're not going to delve into streams of present value. In its simplest form, present value is 1 divided by 1 plus the discount factor. Inflation is the discount factor. So $1,000 a year from now is only going to be worth 90909. $909. So something's got to be done about this. Unless your wages are moving up at the same rate, that means, well, that means you're losing your purchasing power. That's a quick and simple, down and dirty calculation of present value.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime. See you soon.